Oh, they must have landed. Oh, there they are right there. Oh, wow. Good morning, this is Everett, the Birding Voyage, where we explore birds and birding hotspots around the world. Today I am birding Torrey pines in San Diego, California. There's a pair of Peregrine Falcons that nest at Torrey pines, and they recently had, I think, 3 baby Peregrine Falcons. So they're growing up. I think they're a little older now. They've left the nest and they're flying around. I've seen some pictures of them, but we're gonna go see if we can find the Peregrine Falcons, and then we're gonna see what else we can find along the way. Thanks for joining me. Here we go. Double-crested cormorant. There's a big group of birds out there. I think those are surf scotters. I've been walking along the beach now for the last 15-20 minutes. It's been really fun to watch the terns and pelicans out there diving down, getting fish. They're just having feeding frenzies. Common raven here. It's like it's eating a dead bird. Nice look at a western gull. Okay, finally found it. There's the trail there. There's some stairs that go up. So we're gonna leave the beach and then head up to the cliffside. It's a California towhee. There's a lot of those around. It's a wren tit. I hear them a lot. They're actually pretty hard to see sometimes. It's a western flycatcher. Here's the spotted towhee. It's an orange-crowned warbler. Thought I was gonna see a bush tit, because there's a group over there. Oh, they're there. These trails here are so cool. They just go right along the cliff overlooking the ocean. It's such a nice area to hike around. Here's some of the Torrey pines. Look at that. Wow. It's Buick's wren. And a hummingbird. That's incredible. Wow, I just got an amazing look at a rufous crown sparrow. I've only seen those one other time at Lake Poway. And it was just up on top of this tree branch or stump singing. That was amazing. It's a California thrasher. I've been hearing them for a while. It's the first one I got a look at. Some little bush tits back there. Alright, here's a nicer look at the map here. So I parked over on the free road right there. And you can pay to park at different spots along the road there. Let's see, so I started down here at Flat Rock, and then I worked my way up here. Okay, so I'm here. And I think the Guy Fleming Trail is where the Peregrine Falcons hang out. California scrub jay. Ash-throated flycatcher. Here's a Nettles woodpecker. This one is funny, it's been hanging out in the bushes and almost like on the ground. It's been hard to get it, and then it flew over this pine tree. Okay, I'm on the Guy Fleming Trail now. It is just beautiful here. You can hear the California thrasher over there. There's an orange-crowned warbler. There's a whale out there. It's right there. There it is. Wow, cool. Yeah, I'm looking. I couldn't see any part of it. Yeah, just the spout. Oh, there it is right there. Wow. Oh, there it goes. I just saw it. The tail. Yeah, I saw the tail come out on that one. Some house finches. Alright, we found the Peregrine Falcons up here. We came back to the Guy Fleming Trail, and there's one of the juveniles. One of the adults just flew past us. It was really cool. Right there, look at it. Wow. Oh, that was cool. Yeah, that was true. Oh, look, there it is. Oh, look, there's two of them playing. Wow. This is really cool. We found two of the juveniles. There's my sister Erica. She's helping me find the peregrines today. Look at this overlook of the Torrey pines here. It's beautiful. There's the other one. Oh, they must have landed. Oh, there they are right there. Oh, wow. Just flew right there. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's a third one. Just right here in front of us. Alright, there's two of the juveniles. They landed. Done flying for a little while. That was so cool to watch them fly. Okay, just finished up. walking back to the car now. Wow, that was amazing. Saw a lot of great birds, got a lot of good views of birds too. The rufous crowned sparrow, got good looks at spotted towhee, California thrasher. Those were all, and then obviously the peregrine falcons, that was the best part. That was really fun. Loved hiking around Torrey Pines, and definitely a great spot to bird.